Acne is frustrating, but today I'll be showing you the reason why you are breaking out and how to fix it. So sit tight, grab a popcorn and watch this video to the end, and make sure you don't skip any parts of this video because each steps or each tips has its own benefit. And moreover, the last tip I'm going to share in today's video, you will be surprised. You will be like, wow, so does this really cause my acne breakout? So with that being said, drum roll, let's quickly dive into the video. So the first mistake is cleanser. Yes, you might have had this often from a lot of people, but I'm telling you that if you are having acne and you are making use of harsh chemical products, or you are making use of harsh skincare cleanser that is going to irritate your skin even more, strip off your face even more, you are going to break out a lot. So avoid using harsh cleanser on your face. You that have acne skin, it simply means that your skin produces more oil on your face, which might lead to acne. So you need to use cleanser that is going to remove those excess oil on your face by using product that contains salicylic acid or using product that contains benzoyl peroxide. These two key ingredients are great ingredients that fight your acne if you want to get rid of it. But when you get a cleanser that contains salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, you cannot use this product on a daily basis. This is my own opinion. If you are using any product that contains salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, get another gentle cleanser like Simple or like Face Fast or any affordable gentle cleanser you are seeing on the screen. You can pick this and use this other day in your skincare routine, and use those salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide 2 times or 3 times in a week in your first step in your skincare routine as your cleanser, because you cannot use exfoliating products on a daily basis on your face so that you not over exfoliate your skin. The second mistake is over exfoliating your skin. If you over exfoliate your skin, you are going to have breakouts. If you don't know this, I'm telling you this for free. Yes, exfoliating is good, but if you overdo it, you are damaging your skin barrier. And when your skin barrier is being tampered with, you start seeing a lot of skin issues on your face that you have not even seen in your life before. So now, if you want to avoid this, or if you already have this and you want to fix this, the only thing I'm going to tell you in this step or in this tip is get a exfoliating product. Yes, I know it's exfoliating that leads to this, but if you are using scrub, physical scrub or physical exfoliant in your skincare routine and you are using it aggressive on your face, you need to stop that. Let me even start from there. You need to stop that. Over exfoliating your skin with maybe sugar scrub or salt scrub, being aggressive on that area on your face is sensitive. This area, like this face you are seeing on the screen, is very sensitive. And if you are using physical scrub, it's not all the skin that is going to accept physical scrub. So in order to avoid having any breakout on your face, in order to avoid this acne on your face, and you are using physical scrub, which is salt or sugar scrub, you need to stop it and get or purchase, invest in good chemical exfoliate or exfoliating products. It might even suit your own skin, but you might just be too aggressive or overdoing it. That might just be the 2 reasons why you are having breakout. Is either you are over exfoliating your face with the sugar scrub, or you are doing it often, like every day. You might be saying that, okay, since exfoliating is nice on the skin, since sugar is nice on the skin, why don't I use it every day? And you keep using it every day, you are damaging your skin barrier. The third one is skipping moisturizer. You might have an oily skin and decided that your skin produces more oil, so I don't need a moisturizer. Since you are deceiving yourself, because if you don't use a moisturizer, your skin is going to produce more oil, which is going to lead to breakouts. So if you don't know this, I'm also giving you this for free. So make sure you don't skip moisturizer even though you have oily skin. Girl, I have oily skin and I still moisturizes my face. If you don't know this, you can see the way my face is looking. I'm not putting on any makeup. This is just my skincare alone. I'm not even putting anything. This is just a lip gloss alone. So I'm telling you this for free. If you have oily skin and you think that maybe moisturizer is something you can skip in your skincare routine, you cannot skip moisturizer. Instead, you go for moisturizer that are very lightweight. That is why when you are seeing product that this product is for oily skin, this product is for dry skin, this product is for sensitive skin, it has reason, because your skin need those products. That is why skincare formulators or brands make different products for each skin type, so that it's going to suit or it's going to reach everybody needs. That is why you see that some products are for all skin type, because it's been well formulated in such a way that both oily, dry, sensitive skin and normal skin can make use of this product, because it is being formulated specifically for all skin type. And there are some product that is being specifically formulated for oily skin or dry skin or normal skin or sensitive skin. That is why you see varieties of skincare products out there today, because of everybody have their own skin problem, everybody have their own skin issues, and everybody has their own skin type. That is why varieties of products is there for you to pick from, so you don't have any excuse. I repeat, you don't have any excuse to tell me that, Sophie, I can't use a moisturizer because I have oily skin. Sis, there are varieties of lightweight moisturizer out there, like gel consistency moisturizer out there, that you can lay your hands on and get and apply on your face, in order for your face not to produce more oil, and it's going to lead to breakout. So these are some of the reasons why you are breaking out and you don't know. So if you know, because if you watch this video right here, I know you have learned something today. So if you do learn something from this video today, let me also know down in the comment section by giving this video a love emoji. The fourth one for today's video is dirty pillowcase and phone. Like, if you're a type that don't cleanse your phone, gosh, like, make sure you clean your phone daily and change your pillowcase twice in a week. This is very important. This might lead to something that causes breakouts. If you know you're having breakout a lot, try and do this and see maybe it's going to change. And if it doesn't, or if there's no improvement, which I know is going to be improved, but if it doesn't maybe properly, then you know that maybe something else from the ones I've listed that might be causing your breakout. So you need to watch out for those ones again. So the fifth one, because I don't want to talk much on this one, it is straightforward. So let's quickly move to the fifth one, which is the last tip for today's video. So this last tip, drum roll, because I know this is what most of you might be waiting for, but don't play with the previous one I've talked about. Hormonal acne and diet. Sometimes your acne might be caused by hormonal. Yes, if your hormonal is imbalanced, this is the time you need to check yourself. You need to go for tests. You need to see your doctor for you to do tests to know whether this is hormonal imbalance. Like, if you know you have been struggling with acne for a very long time and you have used over the counter products, sis, stress yourself no more. Just simply pack your bag and shoes and see your doctor ASAP, because it might be hormonal imbalance. And second, it might be your diet. If you're not eating healthy food, you might likely end up having breakouts here and there, most especially if you're a type that your body doesn't need stress or doesn't need all this junk food, and you are just consuming, you are just feeding your skin, your body with this junk food. Believe me sis, I'm telling you this, your skin is going to break out badly, and you'll be wondering, is it my pillowcase, is it my this, is it my that, is it my moisturizer, is it this or that? Sis, it's not that. It's just that maybe your hormones is imbalance or your diet. Please take note of all of this. Reduce processed food and also reduce the intake of sugar. If you can do this for yourself, trust me sis, you come back and thank me later. So take note of all of these 5 tips I just talked about in this video today, and trust me sis, you come back for testimony. These tips I just share can seriously change your skin. Like, you'll be like, wow. So let me know down in the comment section, which of these tips are you going to be trying first? And save this video and share this video with someone that might need it, someone like very close to you, or someone that is not even close to you, but you know that person is struggling with acne. Please kindly send this video to the person. If you haven't joined the family, the community yet, please join the family by clicking that subscribe button, like this video, turn on the notification bell to always be the first person to be notified each time I drop a new video. I'm going to see you all in the next very one. I still remain Sophia Tamir Rashid. Stay blessed and peace. Bye.